Hey, good morning, everybody. I'm the guy with the microphone. My name's Matthew Regan. Anybody have trouble rolling out of bed this morning to come to a movie? Just wanted to say thanks for coming out to Family Movie Morning. Have a great movie this morning.
Something tells me there's a good time coming. Just wait and see. You got to put a little faith in something. Might as well be with me. You feel it when the bass starts grooving. Go ahead and move your feet. Around here we ain't afraid of nothing. Dancing like no one sees. So free. I feel free, so free.
Hey, it's Matthew Regan here, and we're back at Family Movie Morning after a couple of years of a hiatus. We had just under 400 people we're expecting here this morning. Popcorn for breakfast, pop for breakfast, caffeine for the parents, and no doubt a lot of laughs and a good time. We even have Buzz Lightyear in the house. He's coming, and no doubt the kids, and me included, are pretty excited.